What's up, everyone? Today I am showing you a super simple but crucial bit of maintenance for your Chevy Spark, changing the cabin air filter. If your car's AC is starting to smell a little funky or the airflow feels weak, this is likely the culprit. Best of all, it's a job anyone can do in just a few minutes, and it'll save you money. First, open your glove box and empty it out. On the right side, there's a little damper arm. Just pop that off its peg. Next, squeeze both sides of the glove box inward and it will drop down completely, giving you access to the filter housing. You'll see a cover with a couple of clips on each side. Pinch those clips, pull the cover off, and slide out the old filter. Look at all that gunk. Now, grab your new filter, making sure the airflow arrow is pointing down, and slide it right in. Pop the cover back on, reattach the glove box damper, and swing the glove box back into place. That's it. Fresh, clean air in under a minute. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy car tips. Thanks for watching.